Alright guys, so today I will be talking about the 3D printed solder sucker tip that I have made. You can kind of see it on the end here of my solder sucker or desoldering tool or whatever you want to call it. Solder pump, I've also heard it called. But basically what this thing does is, well, sucks up the solder off of a circuit board if you are trying to desolder something. And the issue that I have with this is that over a lot of use, the tip just starts to melt away, after excessive heating. So, I decided, well, rather than just throwing this away, since I can't find new tips, let's just make some. So I made this one, and of course we're going to test to see if it works. I have a PCB right here. And hopefully this works out pretty well. I've tested it before and it seems to do alright. And since these are so cheap to print, why not? So go ahead and grab our board here. And if you're curious, this is from a PC power supply. That's not really important. But anyway, so I'm just going to, I guess we'll start. It's kind of hard to work around the camera here. I guess we'll just try to desolder this. This is super uncomfortable. See if I can melt that. Sorry, I'm terrible at this, and my solder seems to have disappeared. Okay, so we'll just go ahead and heat up whatever this component is there. I'm starting to burn the board there. Ooh, it looks like it grabbed it. And as you can see, that's the pin that I was going for. And this is the before and this is after, and it picked up quite a lot of that solder. So that's pretty good, I suppose. And the pin is now loose, by the way. I'm not quite sure what that looks like. That was for an inductor, but the pin is loose a bit. So that's not too bad. So it does indeed work. It could be a little bit better. It doesn't quite seal up well, but this was just kind of a test just to see, if it can be done. But yeah, so it definitely works. And then the solder pump works just like a regular soldering pump would. So yeah, I guess that's pretty cool that a 3D printer can do really practical stuff like that, because a lot of people look at 3D printers as just a toy. But there you go. There's proof that it actually has a lot of practical purpose. So anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. The link to download this should be in the description. If it's not, it'll be there at some point. I may forget. So anyway, thank you guys so much for watching, and have a very nice day.